In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 100K profit with this super boring niche. Now, this niche doesn't require you to go viral. There's going to be no luck involved, no battling the algorithm, and no shit AI content required. Now, I'm going to show you here, the average RPM we get on this niche is around $42, but you're going to get between $20 and $100 RPMs on this niche in general. And this is one of the easiest ways you can make your first 100K with YouTube automation, just because of how high the RPMs are and how big the niche is. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you about it now. It's the DIY website niche. So this is specifically for people, regular people who are trying to create some kind of website. So this isn't for big corporations. This is for people who want to start their own Shopify store, e-commerce store. They want to maybe make a blog. Maybe they've got an agency or they're a freelancer and they want to provide their services or stuff like restaurants. So this is basically for people who want to make websites for their small business or their side hustle or whatever it is. And this niche here is so good for a few reasons. Number one, as I said, the RPMs are insane. So you're gonna get like $40 to $100 RPMs depending on how you do it. And I'm gonna show you a strategy later where you're gonna get like $200 RPMs if you do it properly. Next of all is it's a huge market. This market is so big, people trying to start one of these sort of side hustles. And that means you can really easily tap into it. The content's evergreen. So this means that it's not gonna trend, it doesn't go up and down. You can make this content and it's gonna consistently make you money. So once you make the videos for this type of content, you're gonna be making money for years with those kind of videos. Next thing that's amazing is no fancy videos needed, no editing. That's crazy, no ideation, scripting, anything like that. And the next thing is that there's many external monetization methods, and I'm going to talk about that later. So within this niche here, the softwares and topics we want to cover are things like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, PrestaShop, Etsy, eBay. All of these topics are super high RPM and they're directly related to this niche. Now, within this niche here, there's a lot of kind of avenues you could take it. So if you wanted to make comparison videos, comparing the softwares, you could do that. If you wanted to make really in-depth guides about how to make e-commerce companies or how to make e-commerce websites, you could do that. But the most simple, most basic way to tap into this is just going to be tutorials about these apps. So tutorials about Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, these ones are going to pay so well that it's ridiculously easy to make money. And I want to break it down for you. Let's say we get an average RPM of $40, which is very reasonable. And this is going to be for a 1 to 4 minute video, by the way. If you make videos that are like an hour long, your RPMs are going to be hundreds of dollars. If you get a $40 RPM, all you need is 2.5 million views to make $100,000. Let's say you want to make $100,000 profit in 1 year, and that's just 200,000 views per month. And really building up to 200,000 views per month, especially when the views don't drop off because it's evergreen, is super easy. It's just a game of, just building and building and building. It will consistently grow. And what I want to show you here is some example channels and some metrics as well. So this channel here is called Danny's Tutorials, and it's super simple. So they've been uploading for about 1 year and they've grown like amazingly in this 1 year. You can see they've only got 15,000 subscribers. And all they're doing here is they're just making these simple tutorials, mostly about stuff like Shopify and that kind of stuff. And so I've actually broken down the numbers for you. Each month he's getting around 455,000 views. Now, he isn't just doing these kind of videos. He's doing a lot of videos, a lot of different topics. So his RPM is going to be a bit lower than this, but if you were to focus just on these topics, then you can get this $40 RPM. So he's got about an average RPM of $15, I'm going to estimate. So each month he's making around $6,825, which is awesome. Now, one thing you might have noticed is that he has 5,600 videos. Seems like a lot, but each of these videos is super easy to create. So it's going to cost around $1 to make each video. So he's going to spend about $5,600 to make this channel. This is if you know the right processes and ways to do it. And so the total views on the channel is around 6 million. And with 6 million views and an RPM of 15, that's $90,000. And he started posting 1 year ago. And so if you were to go ahead and kind of copy what he's done and just specifically do it for these softwares, you can easily, very easily make $100,000 in the next 12 months with this. And that's profit. All with an investment of like 5 grand. So it's pretty cool. Now, you might be wondering, like, how does he find his videos? There's many ways to kind of find videos. The way that we do it is we've built a custom tool for it. And so if I just give you an example of how our tool works, we do this exact business model, and this is why we built the tool for it, because we want to find all of the keywords. And so if I just type in Shopify here, I'm going to go show how-to keywords. I like to go for topics that have like 2,000 to say 4,000 views per year or searches per year. What you're going to see here is you're going to see all of the different keywords specifically for Shopify. So how to integrate Square with Shopify, how to change text color. And what you can do, basically, make all of these videos. Make all of these videos here. You're going to get the $40 RPM that I've been talking about. And just look at these views here. See how many you're going to have to make in order to kind of hit that 200,000 views a month. And you'll basically build a business like him. Now, that's not the only thing. You can do this, and this is going to give you great money through AdSense, but there's another way that you can get like $200 RPMs from this method. And so inside our private community, this is actually something one of our students is doing, or a few of them are, but one student in particular is doing very well with it. He has a secret channel. I'm not allowed to disclose it, but I'm going to tell you a bit of information about it. He's gone the affiliate route. So not only does he do this, he also does affiliates for it. And so he has around 3,000 subscribers, under 100 videos, and his lifetime views, this is views for lifetime, are only 300,000. So that's absolutely nothing. But on the back end of the channel, he's made $50,000 just from affiliate links. So that's signing up for the affiliate links of Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, all of these ones. And basically, you're going to be teaching people how to use these softwares, comparing them, reviewing them. And then you're going to put an affiliate link there and people are going to buy through the link. He's made $50,000 off the back end of the channel from 300,000 views, which is insane. And so the RPM for that alone is $166. And if you combine these two together, the RPM with the video, then you're going to get around $200 RPMs, like combined between affiliates and AdSense, which is insane. And yeah, this niche honestly is the easiest to make a lot of money with. If you're a beginner with YouTube, don't worry about any other kind of niches. Don't worry about like fancy editing or anything, you know, shorts, anything that's going to be a lot of work. Just focus on this boring shit, because this boring shit is the stuff that's going to pay you. Now, we've actually released a completely free guide, 100K YouTube playbook. I've got a copy here. So you can go ahead and you can grab this for free, completely free. We have a Telegram link in my bio, and I'll probably drop one below this video at some point as well. But go ahead, join the Telegram, and you can get access to the free playbook, which kind of talks about how to do all of this stuff. And also in the Telegram, we just drop a lot of value about, you know, YouTube automation in this kind of way. We do it a little bit different from everyone else, and we kind of, our goal is to run it like a business rather than like be a creative. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. Jump in on this, and I promise you're going to make a shit ton of money. See you in the next one.